We will now explore assessor competence and continuous professional development. When assessing a vocational qualification, the assessor needs to demonstrate their own familiarity with occupational standards and practices. This means that regular opportunities to engage in continuous professional development should be sought. This is known as CPD. Training events for assessors are normally run by awarding bodies at least once a year, and in addition to providing evidence of maintaining own occupational competence, these events provide an excellent networking opportunity for assessors to meet others within the same discipline and discuss issues around evidence, standards, practices, technology, and so on, so that they may influence assessment strategies and review of the national occupational standards. A record of CPD activities should be kept by each assessor and should include things like standardisation meetings, formal and informal discussions with assessors and/or verifiers, formal and informal training attended. In fact, anything that adds to an assessor's knowledge or skill set should be recorded as evidence of CPD. You will need to provide evidence of participation in CPD events in order to obtain your assessor qualification. Working through this material is part of your development and so should be recorded as such. Take note of everything you feel is relevant, both formal and informal, but ensure your CPD record is meaningful. This means you should record what you did, when you did it, with whom it was done, what you learned, how it will impact on your practice, and how you will disseminate this learning to others to promote good practice. A CPD template is available to review in the Learner Room. Feel free to download this and modify it to complete your own CPD record, as you will need this to achieve your assessor qualification. Check with your employer first though, as they may have their own template that they prefer you to use. Click the right arrow to move on.